We are pleased to bring you the latest news about the upcoming participation of Walrus Pump in the Taipei International Machine Tool Show in March. First, let's understand the background of Walrus Pump. They established in 1967, Walrus Pump has over 50 years of experience in the design, manufacturing, and sales of water pumps. Their mission is to provide users with comprehensive pump solutions and to meet customer needs. Walrus Pump has gained a reputation not only in the Taiwanese market but also globally, selling products to over 100 countries, making it a leading brand in the Taiwanese pump industry. At the TMTS exhibition, Walrus Pump will showcase their two latest products, the TPHK.P series vertical centrifugal pump and the TPRK.E series immersible vertical multistage centrifugal pump. Let's take a look at the features of these two products. Firstly, the TPHK.P series vertical centrifugal pump adopts a return water design and a coaxial design with the motor, allowing the impeller to be installed on the extended shaft of the motor. Its main moving parts are made of stainless steel, and it utilizes high-performance composite materials with excellent rust resistance characteristics. Additionally, the weight of the pump body has been reduced by 60% to 70%, meeting the standards of low-carbon manufacturing. The TPHK.P series is suitable for industrial circulation systems, cleaning systems, filtration systems, the electronics industry, medical equipment, with a maximum water pressure of 7.8 kilograms per square centimeter. Next, let's introduce the TPRK.E series multi-stage submersible centrifugal pump. This pump also adopts a submerged self-priming design, and the motor is coupled with the pump using a coupler. Its main moving parts are also designed with stainless steel to ensure corrosion-free operation. Due to its three-layer water body structure, even if the mechanical shaft seal leaks, the liquid will flow back to the water tank. This product is suitable for various industrial applications such as tool center discharge, high-pressure water cooling and chip removal systems, deep hole drilling, wire cutting machines, industrial circulation systems, cleaning systems, filtration systems, with a maximum water pressure of 25.7 kilograms per square centimeter. Finally, if you are interested in Walrus Pump's products, you can visit their booth at the Taipei TMTS exhibition to learn more. Walrus Pump's booth number is P1228 on the first floor of Nangang Exhibition Center Hall 2.